国际航空公司 CA962 航班前往北京，中间经停慕尼黑。非常感谢各位旅客、国航知音会员长期以来对国航的支持与信赖，真诚邀请更多旅客加入国航常旅客计划。机门已经关闭，请您关闭手机等电子设备，并系好安全带。现在为您播放安全须知录像，请留意收看。我们全体机组成员将竭诚为您服务，祝您旅途愉快，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Air China, a TransStar Alliance member, Flight CA962 to Beijing via Munich. We feel grateful to all passengers and Phoenix Miles members for your business, and you are very much welcome to join the Phoenix Miles, our frequent flyer program. As we're preparing for takeoff, please fasten your seatbelt, switch off your mobile phone.